Welcome to today's video where we'll guide you through decorating a stunning and functional giant bedroom using a variety of essential components. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to revamp your space, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. First things first, let's establish a layout that maximizes both aesthetics and functionality. Begin by placing your bed along the main wall, allowing ample space on either side for nightstands. This creates a focal point and sets the tone for the entire room. Now, let's add some storage solutions. Position a spacious wardrobe against one wall, and a stylish dresser opposite it. These components not only keep your space organized but also add a touch of elegance. If you're someone who works from home or enjoys a cozy reading nook, a desk and chair by the window is perfect. It offers natural light and a peaceful atmosphere for focused tasks. Let's create a relaxing lounge area near the fireplace. A plush sofa, a few throw pillows, and a side table make this the ideal spot for unwinding with a book or chatting with friends. Now, it's time to add those aesthetic details that truly make the space yours. Hang full-length mirrors strategically to reflect light and create a sense of spaciousness. Install curtain drapes that complement the room's color palette, adding a touch of luxury. Ambient lighting transforms the mood of a room. Install stylish light fixtures that provide both function and flair. A ceiling fan with integrated lighting keeps the air circulating and the room comfortable. To make the most of your space, consider multi-purpose elements. A storage bench at the foot of the bed provides extra seating and hidden storage. A cozy window seat with cushions and built-in storage is a charming addition. For those movie nights or lazy Sundays, an entertainment center is a must. Mount your TV and place media components on stylish shelves to keep your entertainment area organized. Last but not least, bring the outdoors in with planters placed strategically around the room. Greenery adds a sense of tranquility and liveliness to your space. And there you have it, a beautifully designed giant bedroom that's both functional and inviting. Thank you for joining us on this journey to transform a giant bedroom into a stylish and comfortable retreat. Remember, the key is to balance functionality, aesthetics, and personal style. We hope these tips inspire your own decorating projects. Until next time, happy decorating!